Can we do the glaive?
Yep, I'm on him.
I don't have hots on Cauldron.
I'm gonna. Can we back up and cap?
I'm getting out, yeah. I'm guarding for the cap in case. They're rotating hard.
That's good recovery. I thought we were kind of low. Falling behind them.
They have a glaive nearly dead.
Yeah, you can wait them.
Spreading dark matter. Chris is up. Careful of Frost gets wings.
Can you Judy? Can you Judy?
Wing him in.
I'm trying to perk it.
They got big heal on the Frost.
Their backline's getting shredded by me right now.
Zach, I don't have hots.
I killed him.
Can I get a support back here, Zeal? Support back here?
Yes. Dark banner going out on this guy. Glaive's walking to us.
Bringing glaive back.
Okay.
Shredding him.
I have Ian's 3 seconds for it.
Pulling the Frost.
Okay, I'm on him.
I don't have cleanse. Fuck. Sitting
Looking at the healer in the front here. I'm switching to Frost. I'm pulling him in now.
I'm dark battering the Frost now.
Oh. Fuck, my bad.
Sorry, I was trying to dodge damage. I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I shred them all here. Can't spread. We should try and get out if we can. Look at the melee. I'm falling out.
See, I need.
Getting the
Okay,
melee out and I'm rolling in.
I need cleanse.
Nicey. I'm getting focused.
Dark matter going out. I think I fucked it.
I'm trying to get up.
I eat this.
I can get to you, Doc.
Yeah.
Jeff Judy, sitting on front line.
Oh, fucked it up. Let's play up here and reset.
That's a good delay though. Really big delay.
Yep. I could have saved you those again. My bad.
I didn't.
For hearts.
I didn't say anything. I literally just focused on dodging damage. I just got quiet.
They're stealing our loot? This is the loot goblin? Oh, god bless.
Dark matter on him?
I harpooned him back. He's dying here.
Poison pot going out? I'm crit, I'm low.
Okay, I got you.
Oh no, dude.
Oh, I got flooded. Oh. Nice,
And I just
thanks,
20 HP sitting there.
I don't want to be here anymore.
It's okay.
What the M, dude?
I always forget about one DPS.
What the fuck? Make that not me.
As long as it's not me, I'm good, dude. Oh, that almost hit you, Zeal.
I ranged it.
Spreading wavy quadrant.
I got you, Zeal. I got you. Look at it.
I'm trying to put the frost in here. Gotta call it.
I have poison pot in 5 seconds.
I'm rescued here forward.
See,
Look at the frost again.
Do you have damage? I'm gonna poison pot frost now.
Okay.
I swear I'm looking at you, Glazed.
Yeah, I'm good. I just.
Dark matter on the frost. Glaive low. Glaive's very low.
Nice. I can sure. No, I'm holding.
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
I'm looking at the frost
See in
here.
the front line.
Swinging frost.
On it. I have damage in 3 seconds.
Being do tank. We're
Okay.
shredding now.
Dark matter on tank. I'm dropping an E on this.
I missed my cleanse completely. See in the front line.
Blue goblin, Gulu goblin. I'm picking up everything.
No.
I earned this.
Look up all the way.
I am the Blue goblin, brother. Are we getting ratted?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Nature healing is easy, dude.
I'm out of poison. Dude.
Yeah. Yeah, real easy.